Cars. Because it's a popular one. Property investors and developers like cars. So do I, by the way, and that's fine. So you ought to be thinking about, if you have your own car, should you claim mileage, which is 45 pence per mile for the first 10,000 miles in any given tax year, 25 pence thereafter. Excuse the handwriting, but that's as good as it gets from my point of view, I'm afraid. So should I claim mileage? Should you have a company car? Here, by company, I'm saying a limited company. And it is thinking about, from these two options, which one works best for you. If you have a company car, then you obviously need to look at the benefit in kind rules and see how they work out. Usually expensive, depending on the CO2 emissions and the value of the car. The other option is, should I go electric? And the good news for you is company car tax is very low, so low tax could be a good way forward for you, so you can do that. Something else you ought to be thinking about is, okay, I've got a limited company, but I'm also now going to go into, say, service accommodation, or I'm going to have a management company. So you could possibly form an LLP once this moves over here, or a partnership, or a sole trader. Put ST here, yeah, sole trader. And then that particular vehicle owns the car. At the end of the year, you work out the cost for the car in terms of how much it costs you in terms of running the car, maintenance, insurance, wear and tear, and if it's on finance, interest costs, and you work out how much the car costs you a year. Let's say it's costing you £10,000 a year. You work out how much of the journeys you do for private purposes. In this particular case, 25% of the journeys are private, 75% business. So £2,500 you don't claim. The £7,500 you claim through this particular vehicle as a business expense. So that's that there. Now something that you might come across or think about is, well, I've got a company car parked on the work premises, it's going to be a pool car, nobody ever uses it for personal purposes. Well, in that case, there's no benefit in kind tax to pay. But is that really the situation? If it is, fine. If you're going to take it home or you're going to have personal use, then you'll have to pay benefit in kind tax. So unless you see it really is parked on the premises and you keep a detailed mileage log and it's a pool car and all staff members have access to it, then it's fine. But generally speaking, in property, unless it's a really big property business, more often than not, the directors usually take the cars home, so that probably isn't going to work. So it's about doing this calculation and seeing which one works better for me. I have an old car, should I carry on with that? Or I want a new car, do I pay for it myself and claim mileage? Or should I get the company to pay the benefit in kind tax, which could be high? Or should I get an electric car so the tax is lower? Or should I have an LLP partnership or a sole trader, and then work out how much I'm using for private journeys, how much for business journeys, and what's the net impact? So those are the things you want to be thinking about. Then you can think about, okay, should I do a contract hire car? Should I buy it outright in cash? Should I get it on a HP? Should I do a PCP with a balloon payment? Again, there's no one size fits all. Different dealerships offer different deals. Let me give you an example. Met one of my accountant friends yesterday, bought a new Jaguar, list price £60,000, ex demo, so it'd been used as a demo car for 4 weeks, on for £35,000. Called up the garage, you got this car on, list price is £60,000, you've got £35,000 here, I think you've made a mistake. Even though he wants to buy the car, he was just being honest. They said, we haven't made a mistake, these cars aren't selling very well right now, so it's on the forecourt, take it for 35 grand. So he bought a £6,000 car, ex-demo, used for 6 weeks, so it might have been on sale for 50 grand maybe, because it's an ex-demo, I don't know how much that would have been on sale for, but £35,000 just because of where the marketplace is right now. Got a fantastic deal. If you're getting that kind of deal, is it better to pay cash, or you could get finance for it as well, by the way, so you don't have to pay cash? Or should you then say, I'm not interested in having that car and I'm going to go and get a car on contract hire? So it's about thinking about what deals you get at any one time. Different dealerships offer different deals for a different type of product because they're trying to push something, or there's a particular bonuses being offered on a particular model or particular finance package. So explore all the opportunities and see which one works best for you.